Alright, let's make the ocean in Blender. First, you want to delete your default cube. Then you want to add in a mesh the monkey. Then you want to go to modifiers and then type in ocean. Then you're going to zoom out. Make sure it's on generate and not displacement. You can also change the render to 100 or whatever your computer will handle. Then you're going to go into time, and then you're just going to put in frame/35, but make sure you have the hashtag at the front, like that. And that way it'll automatically play out the ocean thing. Then you're going to want to scale the waves, and then add choppiness, add foam, just keep it to 0, and then that's all you need to do, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.